Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve Vowels game in a string. Problem statement goes as follows. Alice and Bob will be playing a game called Vowels game. So what they will do is they will give a string as first Alice will start the game. He is supposed to pick a substring from the given string which contains odd number of vowels, and next after Alice, Bob will pick a substring which contains even number of vowels. If any one of Alice and Bob are unable to pick any substring, then they will lose the game. So let's see how we can solve this problem. Here we are supposed to consider some cases. First, suppose if there is no what we say vowels in the given string, then obviously Bob will win the game, because there is Alice can't pick a substring from the given string which has any vowels. I mean odd number of vowels. If uh, if there are some vowels, let's consider if there are odd number of vowels like this. Let me explain you through whiteboard. So how many vowels are there in this? E is a vowel, E is a vowel, O is a vowel, E is a vowel. Oh, okay, this has even number of vowels. Let's suppose there is some odd number of vowels, let's say 5. Then obviously Alice will pick all entire string as a substring, and Alice will win the game. Uh, as you understood, if there are no vowels in this game, then Bob will win the game as Alice can't pick any substring from the given string. If there is odd number of vowels in the string, then Alice will pick entire string as a substring, and Alice will win the game as Bob won't have any substring to pick from the given string. What if there is even number of uh, vowels in a given string? Sorry. Mm. So in this lead coder, there are four vowels here. So in 4, Alice is supposed to pick an odd number of vowels, substring which is containing odd number of vowels. So he may pick up to EEO 3 or E here. He may pick 3, and Bob will have only one vowel to pick. So Bob will lose the game because he is supposed to pick uh, an even number. He can pick 0, but still Alice can pick one vowel which is left here. So consider if it has 6 vowels in this game. So Alice can pick a substring which contains 5 vowels. Then also Bob will lose because he will pick 0, and Alice will pick the substring which has in remaining one vowel. If Alice pick in this 6 only, if Alice pick any substring having 3 vowels, then 3 will be remaining here. So Alice is supposed to pick 0 or 2 here. If Alice pick 0, then Bob will pick 0, then Alice will pick the remaining substring which contain 3 vowels, and Bob will definitely will won't have any substring to pick. Let me implement the solution for this. So we will define a string which contains all the vowels here, A, E, I, O, U, and have them. So only lowercase letters are enough here, as they mentioned here. So we will iterate from the given string for ins. If in, we will use in operator, and we will increment the count. Let me declare the count here. Count as 0. So for the first condition, if there are no vowels in the given string, if count double equal to 0, then who will win? Obviously Bob will win. So when Bob will win, we are supposed to return false. So we will return false. Our second test case goes as follows. If count mod to not equal to 0. If there is odd number of oval count in the given string, then Alice will pick entire string as a substring and will win this game. Then he will win this game. Else, as we have as I have shown, if there are even number of ovals, then obviously Alice will win this game because there is no any chance to Bob Bob to win this game. You can try with any number and you can say Alice will win this game. So when Alice will win this game, then we are supposed to return true. Let me run this query. Sorry, not query, program. So it's passing all the sample test cases. Let me submit. Yes, it is passing. Uh, there is some implementation. Let me change this code. As we are returning true for elif and else case, we can skip this else case. I mean elif case here. Sorry. Mm, This will pass the code also. We can further optimize this code like this. So what we are doing is, if there is any ovals present in this game, then allies will win. If there is no oval present in this game, so Bob will win. So we can remove this entire thing. If there is any oval present in the given string, then return true, which indicates allies will win this game. Otherwise, at last we are supposed to return false, saying if there is no oval in this game, it will enter here and it will return false. Let me submit. Yes, it's working. I think we can't optimize more than this. So let me know if there is any other solution from your end in the comment section. Okay, that's it in this video. Thank you guys for listening. Bye bye.